Hello everyone, this is Norbel. Today it's the 5th day of December. It's Father's Day, and because of that, Mr. Wiwa treat us to Singburi to have a look on this biggest Buddha in town. Yan, I don't know how to read that one. There you are. But that is the place. That is the name of the Buddha. There. Ayan, the fountains are in front. Here. There, very nice fountain. And this one.
Thank you for watching my channel. This is Norbel. This is Hannah. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell below for you to be first notified every time I upload videos on YouTube. See you! Ayun na ba? Kaya nga. Parang ganda to. Walang ano. Walang ano.